Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can substitute named ranges for their cell range references in formulas. One way to do this is to type the named range's name instead of its cell range reference when manually creating formulas. Another way to use named ranges in formulas is to begin creating the formula using whichever method you prefer. When you then need to insert the reference to the named range, click the Use in Formula drop-down button that appears in the Defined Names button group on the Formulas tab in the ribbon. Then select the name of the range to use in the formula to insert it. Then finish your formula as normal. You can also change existing formulas by inserting named ranges into existing worksheet formulas. To do this, first create the named range or ranges that is or are an exact substitute for an existing formula's cell range reference or references. Then select the formula cell that contains the cell range reference or references to replace with the named range or ranges. Then click the Define Name drop-down button in the Defined Names button group on the Formulas tab of the ribbon. Then select the Apply Names command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Apply Names dialog box. In this dialog box, click the name or names of the named ranges to substitute the selected named ranges. Often this is already done when you open the Apply Names dialog box. After selecting the correct named range or ranges to use for the substitution, click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.